From fixing to fortifying, how to support your body naturally before symptoms appear. A powerful shift is happening in wellness, moving away from reacting to symptoms and towards supporting the body before it struggles. In this video, we explore the shift from reactive to preventative living, what it means to fortify your body, why colostrum is gaining attention, a simple daily approach to building resilience, why this matters for a busy lifestyle, signs your body may need more daily support, a simpler way forward. You'll discover why more people are focusing on resilience, how colostrum fits into this approach, and simple ways to strengthen your foundation daily. The shift from reactive to preventative living. For years, health has been approached as something to fix. You feel off, you look for a solution. You get sick, you treat the symptoms, but the body rarely suddenly breaks down. It whispers first. Low energy, slower recovery, digestive discomfort, frequent colds. These aren't random, they're early signals, and more people are beginning to ask a better question. How do I support my body before it starts shouting? What it means to fortify your body. Fortifying isn't about doing more. It's about supporting what your body is already trying to do, naturally. It means supporting your immune system daily, strengthening your gut, your body's foundation, helping your body repair and recover efficiently. This is where consistency matters more than intensity. Small daily inputs create long-term resilience. Why colostrum is gaining attention. Colostrum is often called nature's first food, and for good reason. It's the first nourishment mammals receive at birth, designed to build immunity, support gut development, activate repair processes, and research has shown that bovine colostrum contains powerful compounds like immunoglobulins, support immune defense, lactoferrin, helps regulate inflammation and immunity, growth factors, assist in tissue repair, probiotics, support gut balance. Instead of forcing the body, it supports it. A simple daily approach to building resilience. Rather than waiting for burnout or illness, a simple morning routine can shift everything. Think. Gentle hydration. Nutrient support. Gut-friendly inputs. This is where products like a colostrum-based daily drink can fit in naturally. For example, a formulation that combines ice skin colostrum, probiotics, essential vitamins and minerals can support both immune balance and digestive health as part of your daily rhythm. Learn more about a daily colostrum blend designed for simple, consistent wellness support in the attached article, Why This Matters for a Busy, Independent Lifestyle. If you're someone who values independence, prefers simple, effective systems, doesn't want to rely on constant fixes, this approach makes sense. You're not chasing health, you're building it quietly in the background day by day. Signs your body may need more daily support. Even without major symptoms, subtle signs can indicate imbalance. Energy dips during the day. Feeling run down more often. Digestive sensitivity. Slower recovery from activity. These are opportunities, not problems. A chance to fortify, not fix. A simpler way forward. You don't need a complicated routine. Start with one supportive daily habit, one consistent wellness input, one small shift toward prevention. Over time, this becomes your foundation. Final thoughts. The future of wellness isn't reactive. It's intentional, consistent, and preventative. And sometimes, the most powerful shift is simply this: supporting your body before it asks for help. If you'd like to explore a simple daily colostrum routine that supports immunity and gut health, you can find more details here in the article. Embracing Simplicity is a lifestyle magazine exploring the movement towards holistic wellness, nature exploration, intentional living, modern lifestyle income. If you're exploring the growing movement towards simpler living, you may enjoy reading these articles in the magazine also. The quiet movement toward a simpler life. Simple morning movement, routine for a calm and focused day. A simpler way of living. all designed to support a calmer, more fulfilling way of life.